channel. My name is Jacobs. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick tutorial of how to make pour-over coffee. Some things you may need: some coffee beans, a kettle of hot water just below boiling. I'm using the Bodum pour-over coffee maker. It comes with a reusable stainless steel coffee filter, a timer. You can use your cell phone timer, and a scale. I highly recommend using a scale. It makes brewing at home a lot easier. This scale comes with a timer built in, a grinder to grind your beans so you can get the freshest grind as possible. Step one, we're gonna bring our kettle of hot water just below boiling. Then we're gonna rinse out our coffee filter. We rinse out our coffee filter so that if you're using a paper coffee filter, it doesn't taste papery. And B, that the temperature in the decanter can be more consistent while brewing. 52 grams of coffee beans. We're gonna be using 700 grams of water. We're gonna rinse out our filter like that. Then we wanna shake it around. And then we wanna pour that water out. Then we're gonna weigh our beans to 52 grams using our scale. You want the time in between the time you brew your beans and the time you grind them to be short as possible. You want to find the freshest ground coffee you can get. Step two, grind your beans. This whole process should take about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. When we add our coffee ground to our filter, we're going to start our timer. I'm just about at 205 degrees, just below boiling. And then we're going to start our timer. And then we're going to add 100 grams of water. You want to shake it around like that first. We're going to let it bloom. Blooming is a quick bubbling up of carbon dioxide that occurs fresh coffee is being brewed. I'm going to let it bloom for 30 to 45 seconds. We're going to be adding 700 grams total of water. You want to add the water in concentric circles, making sure all the grounds are getting wet, and making sure you stay away from the filter so your coffee doesn't taste papery if you're using a paper coffee filter. You want the water from your kettle to be consistent so you won't agitate the coffee. This whole process should take about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Once all the beans are wet, you want to do what's called a cinder pour. Then we're gonna let it do what's called a drawdown. Drawdown is simply when the coffee is drawing down from the filter to the decanter. You want to make sure you get a nice cone shape. We got about 30 seconds left. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button if you like my video. if you enjoyed your coffee, if you followed along, and leave a comment below and let me know. So you want to remove the coffee filter in about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Now you're ready to enjoy 20 ounces of coffee equaling 2 mugs of coffee. Might want to let it cool down just a bit. Pretty good coffee.